Think you need a camera, a crew,
have
or a
slept long
studio
enough.
to make a blockbuster film? Think again. Every shot you're seeing, the cinematic lighting,
not
the
seek
intense
fight.
acting, the camera
I only
moves
seek-
is 100% AI generated.
You cannot imprison
This is the
hope.
same tech used in viral action sequences and in major TV productions. AI is being used across Hollywood too.
I found
And the
you.
best part, it's completely free.
The
I'm going to
stars
show
have
you
always been
exactly
my
how to
home.
pull this off from home, step by step. First, we need a vision. Don't waste time staring at a blank page. Go to your favorite AI, ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, and use this exact prompt. I have attached all the prompts in description. Once you select the idea, build the character around your idea. Check the description for the same prompt. AI tools sometimes shift your character's face or look slightly between scenes. Here's the fix nearly every serious AI creator uses. Generate multiple angles of the same character early on. A front shot, side profile, close-up, an angry expression, and a back shot. Combine all of these into a single collage, a character sheet. Save this because you'll upload it in every future scene to keep your character looking consistent. Next part is script generation. Give me a 30-second AI film script focused on high-action visuals, character close-ups, and hyper-realistic emotional expressions. Break it into 8-second chunks. Most AI video tools perform best with short, focused scenes. You get higher quality and better control. Once script is ready, create images for each scene. Copy-paste each scene and generate images. Consistency is where most people fail. You don't want your hero looking different in every shot. Generate a character sheet: front, side, close-up, angry, happy. Save this. You'll upload it every single time you generate a new scene. Now we head to Google Flow. Paste your first scene's prompt, upload the corresponding image, and select video. Set your aspect ratio and choose how many videos to generate. You'll see 3 video models: VO 3.1 Light, VO 3.1 Fast, and Quality. Hit Enter, and within seconds, your first scene's video clip is ready. Repeat this process for every scene using Flow AI. Once you have your clips, just drop them into any editor, add some sound effects, and you're done. The power of a full production studio is literally in your hands. Want the full prompt sheet to make this exact style? Check the description, subscribe, check the pinned comment, and let's start filming.